Kristo yi ne ho adi echere wo bi a ne suni ne ne ye na no ente se wo bi a ye chere no. Se Christ oyi ne ho adi echere wo bi a ne ye ne suni ne ban ne ade a wo ye na no ente se obi a tie ye ente se obi a ye chere no. Say yes, there is a blind man who is a musician in South Africa. He sings with, many August platform like the Spirit of Praise and like the Joyous Celebrations and all that. He is totally blind. But the guy is anointed. His songs carry revelation. Then I showed the young man too, and I said, this guy carries some awesome presence with him. And then straight up, they told me, Christo, you know who they are. And is not songs that will entertain the church. A young man is carrying Christ and his kingdom and is trying to detach himself away from entertaining the goats. Rather, his intention is that his message and his songs will feed the flock, the sheep of Christ, the church. I'm living in the generation where everybody is trying to impress. Everybody who gets an opportunity, all they want to do is to impress. But we are in a game which is watched not by human beings, not even by angels. We are in a game, and the only person watching the game is God. Not even angels. Only person watching our game is God. Whether you believe in him or not, that's not the point. It's as if you say, I don't believe in death. It doesn't care about your belief. Death doesn't care about your belief. When death appears at your door on the day of your death, he doesn't need your opinion. He doesn't care about your conviction. You will die when your time comes. It will not even matter when you say to death, I shall not die. If that was applicable, then Bishop Owusu Tebri will be alive. My father, Kwesi Amwaku, will be here.